Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to look out the characteristics of computer, advantages of computer and disadvantages computer. So first of all we see about the characteristics of computer, that is a feature of computer. Speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility and storage capacity are the five most important features of computer that have made us all pervasive speed. Typically, a computer can carry out 3 to 4 million instructions per second. Accuracy computer exhibits a very high degree of accuracy, and what does that mean is that errors that are usually done by humans. If you and me are doing any calculations, any operations, we might do some error. The errors, and the computer will not do those errors. Reliability, and then reliability, computer can carry out the same type of work again and again and again also, but it will not do any error. It does not be get a board like us and make errors. Versatility computers can carry out a wide range of work. You can see in your own life, it will create a documents for you. It will create a presentation you go to a hospital. So you see that I will log in a log out of the parents in being done using that as if you go to the railway station, you can book a ticket using a computer. So it is doing a wide variety of work for your storage capacity. Computers can store a large amount of data on a very small memory and small hard disk or pen drive. You can store huge amounts of data. For example, the employee details of a company that has a say 1,000 employees can be just put on a one pen drive. So that is the storage capacity of computer. These features bring us to the advantages to the computer. The computer has to offer. Computers can do the same task repeatedly with the same accuracy, and then it has no error. It will be introduced if the computer has done the same work say 100 times or 200 times. The computers do not get tired or bored like us. They will keep on doing the same work repeatedly, and still with the same accuracy. That is computers can take up routine task while releasing human beings for more intelligent functions. That mean the dump functions, that same calculation that have no been done again and again, can be given to the computers, and we humans can utilize our time and expertise in doing something more creative creative that cannot be done by the computer. However, the computer have their own disadvantages, as well as computers have no intelligence. Just now, like I told you, that we humans can do creative work, but computers cannot do that, uh, because they do not have the intelligence, they do not have the brains. Like if we humans do second in a regular electric supply is necessary to make computers work. So if you do not have the regular electric supply, the computer will not work. You might say the laptops will work. Laptop also have certain amount of batteries, like say 4 to 5 hours they will work, but after that they will just die. And last but not the least, trained with the people are required to work on computers. If somebody does not know anything about the computers, how to work on that, they cannot use the computers in this. Okay, and in this video we have seen what is the features of computers and what make its in this video so useful to us. In the next video we are going to the learn about and classification of computer. That is, thank you for watching.